Hi, what's up guys, I'm Saikat and this is Tech Gadgets. So today's video will be all about YouTube, the new policy of YouTube to punish the creators. We all know YouTube introduced YPP few days back and this is not the issue of this video. If you are a creator, you know that there are community guidelines strike and copyright strike, which may not be that bad compared to the new strike. February 9, 2018, YouTube posted a new blog on the YouTube creators blogging site titled as Preventing Harm to the Broader YouTube Community. This blog made us clear about the violation. It says that if one creator does something blatant, for example conducting heinous prank where people are traumatized, promoting any kind of violence or hate towards any group, demonstrate cruelty or sensationalizes the pain of others in attempt to gain views and subscribers, they will violate the policy guidelines. They also stated some clear consequences of this violation. They may remove that particular channel from the search results. Also, they can suspend or remove the channel from YouTube original. Secondly, they may demonetize that channel, suspend that channel's ability to serve ads, and may stop giving support from YouTube creators and ban access to YouTube spaces. Lastly, they may remove that channel from recommendation, appearing on their homepage or trending section, or they may remove it from the Watch Next feature. In simple words, they will make that particular channel rarely discoverable to the YouTube viewers and growth of the channel will be very slow or more or less it will be stopped. Though they have not clearly specified what is the violation, still it is clear from them that they want original creators who are willing to give something that benefits everyone, the viewers, the YouTube community and the advertisers. Well, the first two punishments were there previously, but they will do it more fluently from now. So that's all for today guys, and if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys don't like this video, please go to the comment box and state your reason there. If you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button down there. It is free to subscribe, and I'm Saikat signing off for today. We'll be back with a new video soon. So till then, goodbye.